And then Gavin promoted me just to spite you, and now he keeps promoting me for some inexplicable reason.
Inexplicable. Inexplicable.
Promoting me for some inexplicable reason.
Enough with your coy bullshit, Richard.
Coy. Coy.
Enough with your coy bullshit, Richard. You can't use the term in exchange. It implies causality. That's basically extortion.
Causality. Causality.
It implies causality. That's basically extortion. It implies causality. That's basically extortion. Any actions he takes must be uncoerced and of his own volition.
Volition. Volition.
Coerced and of his own volition.
That would mean that no tech bloggers or journalists did, and they couldn't write a scathing review.
Scathing. Scathing.
Did, and they couldn't write a scathing review.
Palo Alto Chief of Police Ed Gaskins, who, apropos of nothing,
Apropos. Apropos.
who, apropos of nothing,
You could go to jail for 40 years. Then again, you'd probably be fine in a full-blown hard-time penitentiary.
Penitent. Penitent.
Fine in a full-blown hard-time penitentiary.
A weird thing to have always wanted to do.
Everybody who's ever sued me is settled out of court. Pussies.
Pussy. Pussy.
Sued me is settled out of court. Pussies.
Behind the ears noob straight out of law school.
No, he is said to be very experienced, one of the best in the biz.
Biz. Biz.
Experienced, one of the best in the biz. No, he is said to be very experienced, one of the best in the biz.
Then why the fuck would he take our case on spec?
Spec. Spec.
Then why the fuck would he take our case on spec? Then why the fuck would he take our case on spec?
Was I in possession of cocaine, amphetamines?
Amphetamine. Amphetamine.
Was I in possession of cocaine, amphetamines, amyl nitrate, also known as poppers, at the time of my arrest? In large quantities. Did I have consensual intercourse?
Consensual. Consensual.
Did I have consensual intercourse? Therefore, I was incarcerated and I was disbarred.
Wait, hold on. You were disbarred?
Disbar. Disbar.
Wait, hold on. You were disbarred?
Questions?
I guess I have one at least. What does amyl nitrate do?
Nitrate. Nitrate.
At least, what does amyl nitrate do? At least, what does amyl nitrate do?
Oh, it dilates the anus.
Dilate. Dilate.
Oh, it dilates the anus. Oh, it dilates the anus.
That is accurate. Also produces euphoria.
Euphoria. Euphoria.
Also produces euphoria.
Okay, thank you, Pete. And Jared?
Sure. Anal dilation aside.
Anal. Anal.
Jared?
Sure. Anal dilation aside.
Jared?
Sure. Anal dilation aside. What do you think of our case? You think we're gonna go in there and just dick slap?
Dick. Dick.
You think we're gonna go in there and just dick slap?
It's only by his grace that I was able to survive that plunge into the ravine and 11 months in a state penitentiary.
Penitentiary. Penitentiary.
Ravine and 11 months in a state penitentiary.
Are you saying work will set you free?
Yes, they have the manpower, we have the perseverance. Triumph of the will.
Perseverance. Perseverance.
Power, we have the perseverance. Triumph of the will.
No, I'm not gay, just, busy.
We're not litigating your sexuality.
Litigate. litigate,
We're not litigating your sexuality. Well, technically, I can't refer to myself as an attorney until I'm reinstated and make restitution to my victims' families.
restitution, restitution,
And make restitution to my victims' families.
We call my laptop my girlfriend because it's the only warm thing that's touched my crotch in a little while.
crotch, crotch,
Thing that's touched my crotch in a little while.
April 11th, 2:48 p.m. Ran a test of the perceptual modeler during lunch.
Perceptual. Perceptual.
Ran a test of the perceptual modeler during lunch. $39.99 for the phone charger.
charger, charger,
For the phone charger.
Okay.
You were one of the earliest members of the Pied Piper team, were you not?
And
since your departure, your rise has...
meteoric, meteoric,
Your rise has... Is it not true that Wired... I'll rephrase.
rephrase, rephrase,
I'll rephrase.
Numbers, and they've decided to take down the cameras today.
So by making the phone call,
condor, condor,
You see, Your Honor, Nelson Baghetti is pathologically modest, while he humbly denies credit. The record shows...
humbly, humbly,
While he humbly denies credit. The record shows... No further questions, Your Honor.
May I say, Mr. Baghetti, how refreshing it is.
refresh, refresh,
May I say, Mr. Baghetti, how refreshing it is to finally encounter someone in the tech community who is so free of pretension and ego.
pretension, pretension,
Who is so free of pretension and ego.
You are the owner and sole proprietor of the Palo Alto-based hacker hostel.
alto, alto,
Proprietor of the Palo Alto-based hacker hostel. This type of logic, Your Honor, cuts both ways.
I see. I'll allow it.
Really? Because I don't think
Mr.
Joe
Bachman,
is right.
you have incubated.
incubate, incubate,
Because I don't think
Mr.
Joe
Bachman,
is right.
you have incubated.
I incubated Pied Piper. I saw the value in that.
Oh, did you? Isn't it true that you were about to evict Mr. Hendricks?
evict, evict,
Isn't it true that you were about to evict Mr. Hendricks? Of nearby women possessing erect nipples. And as such, Mr. Baghetti's
grotesque, grotesque,
nipples. And as such, Mr. Baghetti's investor in this town, except you, because it was perverted.
pervert, pervert,
Because it was perverted.
I don't need her to read it back to me. I can remember.
Nip alert was poorly conceived and riddled with bugs, wasn't it?
riddle, riddle,
Conceived and riddled with bugs, wasn't it?
Well, all apps in the beginning.
Mr. Bachman, answer the question. You liked Nip alert, and it was terrible.
nip, nip,
Question. You liked Nip alert, and it was terrible.
It was high when he pitched it, and I like nipples.
Thank you, Mr. Bachman.
It was a buggy, rapey piece of
buggy, buggy,
Bachman.
It was a buggy, rapey piece of
So, you've definitely had no girlfriend in the past 3 years.
This seems needlessly cruel. We all get it.
needlessly, needlessly,
This seems needlessly cruel. We all get it.